Alright, welcome back everyone. My name is Dustin, and today I want to introduce a new project that I've been working on called Jadeite Lite. And more importantly, I want to explain what it is and why I've been working on it, okay? So let's actually take a look. Alright, so this is Jadeite Lite. So really, what is Jadeite Lite? Jadeite Lite is a lightweight starter application that's based on the Jadeite 2D game engine, or the Scion 2D is what we used to call it, or that's what it's still called. But I'm going to be moving over to Jadeite from now on because that's the name of the channel. So we're going to move that direction. So this is not a full engine, and it's not a framework that you ship games with. Instead, it's a clean, stable starting point for when we do our tutorial. So every time we do a tutorial, we'll start from a fresh copy of this Jadeite Lite and we'll work from there. So the idea of this is pretty simple. So every time we do a new tutorial, we're going to start from scratch from here. Not necessarily from scratch, but we're going to start from a baseline of the Jadeite Lite project. The whole point of this is just to have some things done for us already. So when we get into the tutorial, we don't have to worry about any of that. We don't have to worry about where we are in the engine. So if you're following the Scion 2D, but maybe working on your own engine on the side, you don't want to have to worry about how to integrate it into Scion if you're doing your own thing. We just want to learn about the topic that we're trying to teach, and that's what this is for. So the whole point of this is just you clone it, build it, run it, and that's it. And then we work on tutorials from there. It's pretty straightforward. What do we have here? Let's take a little look. So we have our editor, and it just has a few windows set up. So your menu window, logging window, scene window is where we're going to do most of our stuff. And I set up a lot of basic stuff here. If we go to Jadeite Lite, this is basically the core here, the engine side. So we do have ECS, but we're not going to focus on that. All I have is a main registry. And it's not really like it was before. It's just the registry like this, just to hold on to the dispatcher for now. And we'll add things as we need them for the lesson. But if we don't need it for the lesson, there's no need to have it, okay? And then we're going to basically we have our event dispatcher, some easy stuff. Some GUI helpers, ImGui, the logger, the window. So this is going to get you ready just to start digging right in. Some basic rendering things. So we have a camera, frame buffer, shader, these things, and some utilities, fonts, some string utilities, nothing much. But the whole point of this is we can get right into the tutorials right away. So it gives you just enough to be productive, where we can actually start working right away. And let's actually take a little look at it. So let's open this, let's run this. So this is all it is. It's just a ImGui docking. It's got your files. There's nothing really set up. The about setup, you can go right to the repo there, and it takes us to the YouTube channel. Basics, things like that, okay? So then right here, like none of this is set up, right? So none of this is implemented yet. So we can, but I do have ImGui files dialog. That is set up for you right out of the box. So you can do some different things like that. Okay, so that's set up for you. This is a CMake project. So if we close this here, right here, it's a CMake project, and I've done this one, I think cleaner. I started doing globbing rather than listing all the files. I don't know if it's necessarily cleaner per se. It's up to the person, but I like it right here. So we're going to have a few dependencies that you're going to need. You're going to need to get all of these, and we're going to be using VC package. But that should be all there for you in the build. So if we go here, and if we go back to the README, so let's go Jadeite Lite in the build, and I'm still working on this, so I'm going to be adding more in. So the build's basically the same as before. Now I still got to add some more things in. That will already be there by the time you clone this repo. Okay, so it's just we're using VC package, we're using CMake, and all the regular stuff that we've done before. Now I haven't built this for Linux yet, so if you're a Linux user, let me know what I may need to add or what the build process needs that I didn't add. I'm going to try to see if I can get that, do that on my side over the next week. Hopefully I can get it in. Okay. So the reason I want to do this is I think it'll be a little bit easier for me to do tutorial videos on different topics. So right now it'll have nothing, no gameplay systems, no like scripting, none of that. None of that's set up. ECS, no entities. And when we do edit in, we're going to go bare bones. I'm not going to create any wrapper classes or anything like that. It's all just going to be straight up ENTT, and we'll just use it that way. You don't need wrapper classes. Sometimes they're convenient, sometimes they aren't. It really depends on you per se. Okay. So each time I do a tutorial, we're going to start from a brand new copy of this. The whole point is you start each tutorial from a fresh copy of the Jadeite Lite. We'll implement the feature that's being taught in right from there. Everything that needs to be done, we'll implement it right there from a fresh version of the project, unless it goes into multiple videos, and then we'll just keep using the same one. But we will start, the first video will start from a fresh version of the Jadeite Lite project. And then once it's done, you can either throw it away, archive it for later, it doesn't matter. The whole point was to teach the topic itself, not teach the engine side, okay? A lot of that editor stuff is done for you, so we don't have to worry about that. Feel free to go through the code and look at it. It's up to you. So what this does, it allows me to keep the lessons focused and reproducible and easy to follow along with, okay? So it's like, say you're not following the Scion 2D playlist but you still want to learn that topic. Well, now you have to go through all the things that we're doing with the Scion engine that you might not have to do in your side. You just want to learn that particular topic. That's the point of this, and that's what I'm trying to do, okay? And as a little segue, I do have a Udemy course that is out now. It's called Build Games in the Browser with C++, Lua, and WebAssembly. And it's actually a pretty good course, in my opinion. So in this course, we build a simple game engine that allows us to build games and play them directly in the browser. We're still able to use Lua scripting and Box2D for physics. We go over each part of the building process. We also create our own little Tetris clone and a simple platformer game. I'm also adding content to the course all the time as well, and I plan to add more advanced lectures as we go. All right, so check out the course. It helps support the channel a lot, and I really appreciate it. Okay, so what's coming next? So in the next video, we're going to start using Jadeite Lite to build something practical, and that's going to be a video player. This might sound simple, but it's actually a really good learning experience on how to use the project and also how to make a video player. So it touches rendering, textures, decoding, timing, and platform integration all at once. We're also going to be using the pimple idiom again, pointer to implementation. So if you want to extend the video player to support different platforms or use different libraries for processing media files, you will easily be able to support that. So that's the goal for that video. Now, it's the perfect first video to build upon this baseline, and I actually have an example right here that we're going to take a look at in a minute. But if you want, once we're done doing that, you can either try to add it into Scion 2D. I will be adding it to Scion 2D. I already have it in the master that I have, but you can either try to add it to Scion 2D or add it to your own engine. It's up to you, all right? Let's actually take a little look here. So this is the other one. So you see how there's a little bit more. And we have open this. Now we have open video. And I can open a video. And what video do I want? I have a video. And I have the course trailer. Another little self-plug right there, a little promotion. So let's actually run it. And I will have the video play. Let's check it out. Hi everyone, and welcome to Build Games in the Browser with C++, Lua, and WebAssembly. Cool, that's enough. You can see it on the website if you want. Just check it out on Udemy. But that's what we're going to be doing, and you can start and stop it, and it'll just play it again. Great stuff. All right. So that's it for this video. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. We're going to work on that video player there. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, check out the Discord channel, because we're starting to build up a nice little community there. There's some good people on there with some great insights and different things to maybe learn or even put your input into. You're always welcome. Also, please check out the course. It helps support the channel. And that's it. Take it easy.